Okay, here's a street that I don't think I filmed before. Patio do Mungo. Mungo. So we're basically gonna go down this little patio. And it goes all the way out to the waterfront. So we'll just kind of see what's all the way down that way. And then so Mungo, and it's right near this little marketplace. I'll just briefly kind of let you know where we are. And this area is there's like a little bit of a fruit and vegetable stands, and you can see all the people got their chairs out here, but there's also a bunch of fruits and vegetables. They call it Hawker Street. Royal Supermarket is right there. So we're gonna be going right down that street, right down this way. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Okay, so that's our street. A lot of trucks stop here. I think that they're all stopping here to unload stuff at the Royal right there. So that seems to be a little theme here. Right there is that is the what's that called? The Mandarin House. So you can see these little buildings right there. That's called the Mandarin House. So a lot of tourists will come up there and walk around in this area, film, take pictures. And then this is actually the backside of it, those big stairwells. So that's all part of it. There's a sign over there that says Caritas Macau too. But anyways, our focus is the Mungo one. So I just looked up Mungo in Portuguese and English, and there's no translation. I don't know what it is, Mungo. It's kind of cool. But that's our focus right there, the little patio. So let's see what we can see down here. Dragon. It's kind of cool. You got all those. I think it's just some kind of school, a boutique. Yeah, actually, you're probably wondering, all of them have Portuguese names too. So I heard that when they register their names, they have to register it in Portuguese and Chinese for some pets. So a lot of times you'll see these names that are I think I saw something about that where somebody, I think was telling me that that sometimes you have these kind of funny translated names that just kind of say like a restaurant, you know, just like in Portuguese, like not really much to it in the Portuguese, so they just fill out whatever they think they have to fill out. Huh, this is kind of interesting building. That one has like a flower pattern. Huh. Huh. I don't really know exactly. I haven't walked down the street before. I walked by it and I saw Mungo and I was like, I don't think I've heard that sound familiar. And now that I've been here, I definitely know I haven't been here before. Huh. I saw a lady at the beginning of the street. She had these hats on. Feels really quiet. I do kind of want to know the backstory of these. This is completely abandoned, private property, it says. No trespassing. I always kind of wondered like how these even got to the condition that they're in. I mean, I would think there'd be some kind of use to them, some kind of value. Face of the street. I saw those in that first shop that I was kind of looking at. These are like huge on the wall, really giant one. So Patio de Mungo, that's basically the patio. And now we're gonna come out to the construction out here. There's a place to park here. Huh. That's an interesting space. And this one comes out to another patio that I don't think I've ever filmed, Patio de Godoa. Huh. Godoa. I don't know if they're doing here. You can kind of see, got scaffolding all the way up. These people probably had some building that blocked their views for years and years and years. They finally have it free, and they're going to build something that's going to block it again. Check out those little tiny little windows. I guess this one right here, that building looks like it was also here because it has these same kind of formations. So there's probably some building like that. But why would you build a tall building like that with almost no windows though? Okay. So we're going to come out to a major thoroughfare. Actually, I kind of know exactly where we're at. There's a lot of construction around here. So yeah, these guys always play cards down here, play mahjong and things like that. And I'm just going to come up and film up here just to give you some context of everything. But we're basically over by the waterfront, so you can see all these cranes over here. And then there's like a ton of ships and a ton of like cranes on the other side too. Yeah, they're doing something on that road. I don't know what. So we'll come up here, film first. So that was actually our alley of Patio de Mungo right there. And then we have kind of a cool street right over here. I'm gonna catch it from a different angle. That one. So that's actually a really attractive street, so a lot of times I'll film there. So that's probably why I never go to Mungo right next to it. And they also have the same issue, a bunch of kind of dilapidated buildings that I think they're gonna restore those though. That goes to Barra, all the way down. That's the waterfront, Inner Harbor. And that goes north. So you take it all the way up, you go all the way up to Macau side. Oh, you can also see Macau Tower right there. So that's Mungo, Patio de Mungo. Short and sweet little video. Another insight into the city of Macau and some of the patios and streets. And that's basically the one that we just went down right there. And you got all the construction right there as well, so they're definitely building something. And then there's a little sign that says Patio de Godoa right there, so that one connected to the other one down that way. And we're just going to kind of go through here real quick. And you can see a lot of people kind of hanging out on the left there. And then there's all these little alleys that go all the way down as well. And so it goes all the way down to that Hawker Street again. And then this is kind of the main road that follows the waterfront all the way down to like all the call those ponts, like Pont 16 goes all the way down. So they'll start down there and there's like fishing and it goes all the way down that way. Lots of people kind of hang out in this area. And there's all these little thoroughfares that go all the way down like that. So, okay. So I guess on that note, we'll come back. And we'll end that one. So basically we basically came all the way up that way. So we're gonna end this video for right here. Hey, check it out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.